Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, let's update our view on euro currency. Well, in general, it starts from the daily chart. Well, in general, market has completed our expectations, what we have talked about yesterday. So indeed, a minor upward continuation has happened. Market has hit the COP target that we have discussed. Now is challenging the confidence resistance. So that's actually the reason why we said that's probably not a good point for taking the new longs. Since market stands around the confidence on the daily, it means that chances on the pullback is really significant. Besides, this is not only the confidence but previous lows here. And take a look, just a few pips higher stands the monthly pivot resistance one. So that's an area between 1020 and 1040 is currently the major resistance on the daily chart. So currently it's a bit difficult to predict precisely how market will behave here. So in whether this will be enough power for the market to break this area right now at the first touch. But at the same time, we need just to follow the probabilities, because we know that existence of the confidence area, it significantly shifts the probability in favor of the pullback. It means that maybe everything is possible, and this market could break it in the first touch of this area, but the probability tells that the chance on the pullback are greater, and it means that currently no new longs should be taken. Those who already have longs, think about the profit taking, or at least partially. Tight stop, manage your position. For the bears, well, potentially this is not, of course, the setup for trading your short on a daily chart, because on the daily we have bullish context. Trend is bullish. Upper action stands also bullish, but market right now stands in the resistance. So daily chart tells that context is bullish, and here we do not have any reasons to take the short position. But if you trade, for example, on the hourly chart, you make the scalp trading. Well, in this case, if you will get some clear bearish patterns, you could try to follow it using this confidence as the major protection area for your position. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, take a look what has happened recently. So indeed, upward action has happened here. Market has broken this level, grabbing the minor XOP that we talked about. Actually, this has happened already at our yesterday update. So and then proceed high, even slightly above the COP target. So take a look at here, as you can see, by some momentum, market has moved slightly above the COP. OP target stands already above the confidence. It stands approximately 1060 area. And currently we do not take it into consideration by far, because we need to find out what could happen in this area. Currently market is going around the COP target. So here we should be careful. If, for example, we will see that market starts to form some kind of the triangle pattern here, so will be tight consolidation without any significant pullback. It means one thing. It means that market is building an energy, preparing for challenge of the resistance, and hardly we will get any deeper retracement. So in the case of the forming the triangle and tight consolidation above this area, above these tops, which previously was resistance, now it will be the support. If market will start to form some kind of the ABCD retracement, it means that we should keep an eye on the two levels. First one will be 110 again, but most probably it will be 109.75 confidence support. That's two levels will be in focus. Since we do not intend currently to take the new long position, that will not make any hurt to our trading process. So we just sit in the hands and wait for the clarity. In the case of the immediate upward breakout, well, in this case we will have to acknowledge that probabilities stand not in our favor, because market will complete the scenario that has the less chance to happen right now. Sometimes it could happen on market as well. So On hourly chart, we have the same minor ABCD pattern. Take a look. OP target that we have specified recently has been done. And we have the XOP. XOP stands 1047. It mostly agrees with the monthly pivot resistance one. And here is two chances are possible. Either it will be upward butterfly, for example, completion of the, as you can see, extension stands approximately this area. Completion the XOP, but as I said, keep an eye on the price action here. This market will hold this level, forming the triangle. There's chance of the butterfly exist. Or we will get kind of the downside ABCD pattern with a different extension. So it will be either OP to the nearest target, right, or it will be XOP to the 1071 or 975 that we have specified. So that's what we will keep an eye on. That's our view on euro currency. So if you have the bearish view, or at least you would like to trade the euro currency bearish on the hourly intraday charts, well, in this case probably the chance to get the position is either to wait when the butterfly here will be completed, XOP will be touched. That will be at least some protection for your bearish position, that market will not continue upward action immediately. Or keep an eye on possibility here is maybe garbage triple to sell will be formed minor pattern. This will let you to trying to take the position in a possible ABCD pattern. But this is very small time frame, very short-term trades. They have no relation to daily chart, and it's not really interesting for us because we're mostly watching for a daily and 4-hour time frame setups. So shortly speaking, just as a bottom line, keep an eye on the current price action. Keeping the triangle here as market will start to form the pennant, that will be the hint that probably another spike up will happen to the 1047 area, 1045, to complete the XOP. Once market will start dropping here back to the lows and taking out to these lows, it means that we will get some kind of the ABCD pattern down. And then we will see what will happen, because currently on the daily chart, as you can see, the overall situation looks relatively positive, and chances on upward continuation here exist. Besides, we still keep in mind our major suggestions that here we could get the reverse head and shoulders pattern. If we will get it, well, that will be different scale, larger scale of the possible upward action, and we could probably in this case reach the target on the weekly chart. It's 1260, because the background, fundamental background that we discussed last week now stands in favor of the euro, or not quite in favor, but better to say not in favor of the United States dollar. So it's becoming a bit weaker, and that gives chance to euro to show some appreciation here.